English essay The Moon. The moon is the satellite of the earth. It moves round the earth. The moon does not have any light of its own, but it reflects the light of the sun. The moon is nearer to the earth. We see the moon in various shapes. It slowly grows bigger and bigger for the first 14 days of a month. It is called the waxing of the moon. We see the full moon on the 15th day. It is called the full moon day or Poonam. After that, the moon slowly becomes smaller and smaller for the next 14 days. It is called the waning of the moon. We see no moon at all on the 15th day. It is called the new moon day or Amavasya. The sky is full of bright stars on this night. The changes in the shape of the moon cause high tides and low tides. The full moon day and the new moon day cause high tides. Thank you, friends. Please like, share, and subscribe.